Hi friends, welcome to Bahu Automation Lab once again. In this session, we will see difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Okay, this is the lecture 2 of Java Basic. Okay, if you not watched lecture first, I'll request you to watch lecture first and then move out to the lecture 2. Okay, in this lecture, we will see the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Okay, these are the very important concept in Java. What is exactly difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? Okay, so let's start with uh, JDK, JR, and JVM. These three components are very important in Java as they have a certain roles and responsibility in Java programming. Like, okay, so what is exactly the certain roles and responsibility in these components like JDK, JRE, and JVM? What is exact difference between what is JDK, what is JRE, and JVM? Okay, we'll see this theoretically here. Okay, so we will you can easily understand what is difference between these three components. Okay, let's talk about JDK first. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay, JDK is called Java Development Kit, and JDK kits provide environment to develop and execute Java program. Okay, they execute or run the Java program. In the JDK kit, they provide the environment. Okay, if you install the JDK kit in your system, the environment is created to develop or means to write Java code and execute it and run it also. Okay, so JDK it's internally provide, develop and execute the Java programs. So JDK kits and JDK packages includes JDK and JRE. What is mean by this? So JDK package, if you take the JDK, by default JRE is inbuilt in JDK. So okay, so JRE stand for only you. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JRE is used to only execute the Java programs. If you have only JRE installed in your machine, okay, then you cannot write the Java programs. You can only run it. Means that if you have only GRE installed in system, when we have only GRE system is only GRE installed in system, it's like in if you want to deploy the software on any user's computer. Okay, they don't have the programming language. They don't need a JD for a whole JDK to install the system. Okay, to take a more memory. So what we have to do, we can easily install only GRE in that user's computer so that they can easily use that software, because they want to run the Java programs only. They don't have knowledge of development, right? So in that time, we will install the JRE in the user's computer and they can usually use that Java software to run the Java program or execute the Java programs. So what is the role of JRE? So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JRE is used, or what is the exactly role of JRE? To execute the Java programs, only run the Java programs, not develop. And JDK used for develop and execute the Java programs, because JDK inbuilt have a JRE, right? So JDK, if you install the JDK, you can develop the Java programs and also execute or run the Java programs. But in JRE, you can only run the Java programs. So let's talk about JVM now. So what is JVM? So JVM stands for the Java Virtual Machine. It's a very important part of both JDK and JRE. Okay, very important part. Whether Java program you run using JDK, JRE, it will go to the JVM first. Anytime if you are run any Java program, it will go to the JVM first. Means it will go to the Java virtual memory first. Okay, and the Java virtual memory is responsible to execute the Java program line by line. That's the reason we can call JVM as an interpreter also. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's a Java interpreter. It is totally responsible to execute the Java program line by line. If you write any Java program, like for example, let's see that here is the addition of two numbers Java program is written. Okay. So how it is executing line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. Okay. The JVM is the responsible for these things. The Java program should be executed by line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that it executing in this manner. That's why you are getting the correct output. Okay, simple. So JVM is the responsible to execute your Java program line by line. If you have a JDK, if you have a JRE, whether you run only using the JRE, it will by default go to the JVM, and JVM is responsible to execute that Java program and show you the outputs. So what is difference? I hope you are exactly understand now what is exactly difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So JVM is internally responsible, it's the interpreter to execute the Java program line by line. Okay, JRE is only used to the execute the Java program, not develop. And JDK is the internally default JRE, JDK plus JRE, internally default JRE with JDK. So if you install JDK, you can develop and run the Java program also. Okay, so basic difference in these three component is JDK is equal to JRE plus development tool, means it's in inbuilt JDK and JRE, and JRE is only library files plus JVM, means we can run the JRE through Java virtual machine only. So JRE is responsible to the run Java program, JDK is responsible to the develop and run Java programs, and JVM is the interpreter which is responsible to execute your Java program line by line, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that's it guys, that's the main difference between JVM and JRE and JDK. So in the next lecture we will see practically how to download JDK and set up the environmental variable in your system to run your first Java program. Okay, so let's see in the next lecture how to install the JDK and set the environmental variables. Okay, till time, if you like the video guys, please like, share and subscribe Bahu Automation Lab. Okay, let's see in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day, take care, bye bye.